Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your PNG file to an SVG file in Canva. Sometimes you might want your file in SVG format, and you can easily do that. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's a great site for graphic design and basic video editing. The best part about Canva is that you can customize templates that are designed by professionals and creatives. For now, let's upload your PNG image. So go to Upload and upload it from your computer, or you can record yourself as well. Just upload it from your computer, and after that, it will appear here. Your image will appear here, and you can see it's in PNG format. I'll be converting this PNG into SVG. Just drag it onto the canvas, or just click it, and you can also adjust its position. Just double-click and reposition your image. Now, to convert it to an SVG file, go to the Share option, then go to Download, and choose the file type. Here is the SVG option, but it's only available in Canva Pro. So if you have Canva Pro, you're ready to go. Just select SVG, and if you want a transparent background or shape download, you can enable those options. Then just download it, and now your PNG file is converted into an SVG file. So that's how you can convert your PNG image to an SVG file in Canva within a few seconds.